Let's do an unboxing. Now this is one of my favorite packages to receive from Darc Sport. It is the Darc Sport Athletics collection. Let's start off with my favorite, this insanely cute boxer and tank set. Now please tell me you're not obsessed. Oh my gosh. Yup, the kind of shorts that are gonna make your waist look snatched. The dual layer bra, yes, immediately yes. And plain black scrunch shorts, a necessity. Everyone needs a pair in their closet. Black and white tank, yeah. Now the color that we've all been waiting for and the color that I am quite frankly obsessed with. She's gorgeous, gorgeous. How cute is this baby tee? And it's the stretchy material too. The same tank in red and white because is she not so cute? Yeah. Darc Sport Athletics is dropping January 29th. Do not miss out because the cherry's gonna go fast, girl. So y'all better be on it.